Hey, what's up? Hit the like button if you love this intro. As you can see, today we have another video with unboxing and first review. This time Umidigi Power in my hands. As usual, we will make special videos with performance test, camera test and battery test. The links to all these videos will be in the description. I will compare Umidigi Power with previous models Umidigi F1 and Umidigi F1 Play, because we already tested these phones and they have almost the same design. However, the specifications are very different. Umidigi Power is equipped with Helio P35 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, 16 and 5 megapixels rear camera and 16 megapixels front camera. Also, the phone has 5150 mAh battery. Let's start the review with unboxing. The box of Umidigi Power doesn't differ from the boxes of Umidigi F1 and F1 Play. Only sticker with specifications on the back say that we have Umidigi Power. The package contents also similar to previous phones. There is a greeting card from Umidigi, the phone with factory film and protective case, an envelope with SIM needle and user manual, USB Type-C cable and power adapter. All the latest phones from Umidigi look the same. They have water drop notch, 6.3-inch display, dual camera and fingerprint reader on the back, as well as USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack and hybrid slot for SIM and microSD. The only small difference between Umidigi Power and Umidigi F1 is that flashlight on Umidigi Power is located under the camera and fingerprint scanner has round shape, not oval. As you understand, the rear panel is made of plastic. Talking about display of Umidigi Power, it also has not changed from the previous models: 6.3-inch diagonal, Full HD Plus resolution, LTPS panel. The pixel density is 409 ppi. I have nothing to add about this display. It is good for the price of $140. As you remember, Umidigi F1 and F1 Play are powered by Helio P60 chipset. The new Umidigi Power has Helio P35. Although the smartphone has a name, Power, it has a weaker processor than previous mobile devices. Also, Umidigi Power has only 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, while Umidigi F1 Play had 6GB of RAM. If to compare Antutu results of these phones, Umidigi Power scores almost 85,000 points, while Umidigi F1 Play has 137,000 points. This is the expected result, because Helio P60 chipset is better than Helio P35. However, I don't understand why Umidigi Power is called Power. How do you think? Write in comments below. In coming days we will make performance test of this phone with benchmarks and games. By the way, Umidigi Power runs on Android 9.0. The manufacturer says that it is stock Android, but there are customized icons and some apps from Umidigi, for example, Dura Speed. In general, it is the same fast and smooth user interface as on previous phones. Umidigi Power has dual camera setup on the rear panel, 16-megapixel main sensor and 5 megapixels secondary sensor. The front camera is 16 megapixels. I want to recall that Umidigi F1 has 16 and 8 megapixels rear camera and 16 megapixels front camera. Umidigi F1 Play comes with 48 megapixel sensor on the back and the same 16 megapixel selfie camera. It seems that Umidigi Power has the same front camera as previous phones, but the rear panel differs from Umidigi F1 because of 5 megapixel secondary sensor. Later we will make camera test and compare sample photos of these mobile devices. Umidigi Power has the same battery as Umidigi F1 and F1 Play. This is 5150 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. However, new phone has another chipset, so the battery life may be different. Once again, we will make battery test of Umidigi Power in coming days and publish a video on our channel, Tech Brothers. Umidigi Power has a speaker and 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom. The built-in speaker is quite standard, but 3.5mm audio jack is a really nice feature. It is still important for many people in 2019. Here is audio sample from built-in speaker. As I already said, Umidigi Power has hybrid slot for dual SIM or one SIM and one microSD card. Also, the phone supports global 4G LTE bands, Bluetooth 4.2 and 5G Wi-Fi. The most interesting feature is NFC. You can use Umidigi Power for contactless payments. It is popular in Europe and Russia. As you can see, Umidigi Power did not live up to its name. I still don't understand why it is called Umidigi Power. Maybe because of 5150 mAh battery, but Umidigi F1 and F1 Play have the same battery capacity. Anyway, Umidigi Power looks good for its price – $140. It has modern design with water drop notch, 6.3-inch Full HD display, good cameras and big battery. If you don't need high performance, then Umidigi Power is good for you. If you are going to play games a lot, then it is better to buy Umidigi F1. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.